Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the installation process of Python and also we'll learn how to run simple program. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. So, type here download Python. This is the official site of Python. Here we have about, downloads, documentation and all. We will look for downloads. In downloads, we have options available like for which OS you want it. We will select Windows as we are going to install it in Windows. So now here, just after one click, your download process has started. After downloading, click on Run as Administrator and begin with the installation process. After that, click on Install Now and your installation process will begin. Here setup was successful, click on Close. After installation process, you can check here if Python was installed successfully. Here we have Python application, ideally application installed. There are various types by which you can run your Python programs. For now, we will see two types. Open Ideally application. IDLE is Python's integrated development and learning environment. It allows programmers to easily write Python code. Just like Python shell, IDLE can be used to execute a single statement and create, modify and execute Python scripts. Here in shell, you can write the code and get output immediately on the next line. You can also create new file. Let's create a new file. Here we will write a code. Save it with whatever name you want, but remember to add Python extension as .py and save as Python file or all files. Now here you can run the code, or we can say run the module. In second way, we will write our code in Notepad editor, or you can write it in any text editor of your choice. After writing the code, save it with .py extension and file type as all files. Now open command prompt and type here the saved file name as it is, like demo.py, and you will get the output. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.